Hey, what's going on everyone? My name is Daniel here and welcome back for another video. So we have had 800 subscribers in the last 2 weeks. So last time I made a video I had probably like 750, and now we're around at 823 subscribers. So first up, thanks for all the, I guess, 75 subscribers that have been gained in the past 2 or 3 weeks. And today I've come with a live unboxing as well as the setup on how to set up a ring light as well as the ring light and stand. So first up we're gonna do the unboxing, then we're gonna set it up, and then we're just gonna give you the final results of how to use the ring light and how to use the ring light stand and how to set it all up. By the way, this video is being made right now with the phone in the ring light stand, on the ring light stand. So I guess the quality and the lighting and probably the voice is also going to be improved just a little bit. I think the only thing that is missing right now is the voice, so I think I'm just gonna do a little bit of editing for the voice, of course, of the videos. Alright, now before further ado, let's start the unboxing of this thing right now before any type of interaction takes place. So first up, we've got two boxes. Let us separate both of these boxes from each other and then we'll come back right after that. Now first we're gonna unbox the box that is in, that it is a little bit elongated. I guess this is the stand right here, so let's just unbox the wrapping, the bubble wrapping, and we've got the cardboard box. And I think this is the easiest one. I think we'll just take this out right now, and there we have the stand. And now let's unbox the ring light real quick. Let's take the bubble wrapping off. And after taking the bubble wrapping off, we're just gonna throw it away. After that, now we're just gonna take the cardboard box off. Of course, a lot of the cardboard boxes that are shipped through the Ross, I think they are a lot of the times, sticked to the actual package themselves. So we're just gonna have to tear that up as well. Now we've got the ring light and the stand. Now after all this thing, I think the ring light and the stand are a really great combination for each other. Let's quickly unbox the ring light as well. So we've got the spec list on the front of the box, and on the side of the box we've got a demonstration on how to fix your phone on the ring light. Let's just start the unboxing of the ring light itself. So first up, we've got some accessories of the ring light. We've got the 360 mobile holder, and we've got the holder of the phone itself. The first one was actually the holder of the mobile holder, I guess. It was the one that is, a little bit more elasticy and stuff like that. We've got the ring light itself after that, and let's get to the final results. These are the final results of the ring light and the stand, both attached to themselves. Now there's the front part. We've got the remote of the ring light, which is used to change the color temperatures of the ring light. We can also change the color temperatures, and we can increase the light and dim the light of the ring light. I think it is really great to see all these type of features in a really simple thing. By the way, this was Daniel and this was today's video, and I'll see you in the next.